how to switch from individual to Spotify family plan. Upgrading to a Spotify family plan allows you to share premium features with up to 5 other people living at the same address. So what you want to do is basically you need to use the Spotify website. So you'll not be able to do it with the help of an app. So you just want to open up any browser that you have on your device. And at the very top, you could see a web address bar. You want to type in Spotify and you click open the first link that pops up. Once you do this, you will be taken to their official page. Here, what you need is you just want to make sure to go to the profile initials at the very top left corner. You have these settings and privacy, and you want to go to this section. Over here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select your membership section. You could also go ahead and locate this premium, right? You could go ahead and look for these premium section. You will be able to find plans and all that. So if you had individual plan at the now, you could go ahead and look for duo and family. So basically, if you want to switch from individual to Spotify family plan, you could go and select for these option, that is $5.79 per month. So you want to get the premium, you just want to tap open that up, select the payment method and just confirm your plan and all that. And this way you're supposed to switch from individual to Spotify family plan. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.